Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Running with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Ocugen. This has been a pretty popular one. Vaccine play. I don't have any in this account. I'll show you my history. I have some of this in another account. I think my cost base is around 2 something, but here in Robinhood I don't have any. Like I've said, I've tried to trying to get out of Robinhood, but I continue to keep it around just here for the channel because I don't show my other accounts here on the channel. But back to Ocugen, ticker OCGN. So yeah, as you can see, this one is on Robinhood, so you can buy it on pretty much any exchange, any platform. If you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description. Feel free to help yourself and get some free stock, whether it be on Webull, which is a favorite, Moomoo, Firstrade, and I have several others on there. I use pretty much all of them. So back to Ocugen. Here you can see kind of what they do. They kind of specialize in eye diseases. That's what I was kind of got me interested in the company to begin with. But here in the last month or two, or maybe even longer, they've been working on vaccine as well. So that's been driving up the stock here as well. As you can see, like I said, my cost basis on it is $2. I think I bought it back in December. And you can see it's already up to $9.84. Here's kind of a history. So it was over $10.95 here in the last 3 months, and ran up to $15.68 on the 3rd. And we'll look at the year here, and well, here it comes up. So back here in December, January, somewhere right in here is when I bought in, and then it had its great run up after I heard about the vaccine, and kind of came down, but then it had another run up. So if you'd have bought in here, sold, and bought again, you'd made some pretty decent money on it. Unfortunately, I didn't do that, but didn't watch this one that close. It's been around since 2013. Kind of a smaller company, 15 employees. It's got a lot of volume on it, $2.57 billion market cap. And here's kind of a snapshot of their earnings. I tried buying in, as you can see, last December, which would have made a pretty good profit at $2.20. I probably lowballed it and it didn't fill. But you can kind of see the volatility that it was having back in December with a 10-cent swing, and it was probably more than that if we took a closer look at it. Back to Ocugen. There's just another look at it. But they had some earnings snapshot. This is just dated here on the 7th, on Friday. The first quarter loss of $7.1 million. So that's probably causing a decline in the price after reporting a profit in the same period a year earlier. The Pennsylvania-based company said it lost 4 cents per share. Ocugen shares have climbed 5-fold since the beginning of the year. Stock has risen 28-fold in the last 12 months. So if you have Ocugen, go ahead and put that in the comments along with your cost bases. That would be interesting to know. And this is probably in regards to the same information that we just went over on the 7th, which was Friday. So we're tanking 12.7 Friday after falling as much as 20.6% earlier in the day. Which if you're looking to stay in this one over the long haul, and would create a buying opportunity for you. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating an opinion. Ocugen didn't generate any revenue in the first quarter. The drug maker posted a net loss of nearly $7.1 million or 4 cents per share. Only 2 analysts surveyed covered the stock. One expected The revenue of 156.2 million and earnings of 101 per share, while other analysts projected no revenue and a loss of 2 cents per share. So kind of all over the place with analysts on this one. So again, if you're getting into this one, not that I'm telling you to buy or sell, just do your homework, set your alerts, be safe, because this one's kind of volatile. When it's kind of like a Tesla, when Elon talks, it goes up and down. When the politics or this company talks about the vaccine, it goes up or down. So just be careful with this one. So, but feel free to pause and go over this information there for yourself. This just kind of goes over some more information about the company, press release. There's their website, Ocugen.com. So this has been kind of a popular one to watch for at least 2, 3, 4 months. And I've been watching this one. So this one is sticking to their rating, the Wainwright for Ocugen. This is just dated here today. Reiterated a buy rating on Ocugen on Monday, setting a price target of $12, which is approximately 30.65 above the present share price of $9.19. And again, the earnings. 3 TipRanks analysts, a moderate buy rating on Ocugen, average of 11, high of 12, and a low of 10. So again, if you're getting into this one, just brace yourself, put your seatbelt on for the volatility, because that's what you're going to expect with this one. Again, this is why Ocugen crashed. Kind of already went over some of that information. So they were kind of the late to enter the 19 vaccine race for less than $1 per share through December 2020. So you could have made a killing on that one, but and over here to well, there wasn't anything on Seeking Alpha. We'll check out Reddit here, see if we can find any other details. This is all 14 days ago, so there's still quite a few people with a bunch of shares in here. It's kind of outdated information. I like to go with more up-to-date info. No shorts today, just little bears penny pinching. It's normal for the newbies. Back on track. So we'll see what happens with this one. But a lot of people that I talk to about this one see, whether it be on websites or wherever I get the information, everybody's still bullish on this one. So forming a bull flag pattern here. This is what you want to get your popcorn ready. Covaxin is the best vaccine. Holding long since the 3s. I do not panic sell. So like I said, there's still a lot of bulls on this one. Went down, so you could buy the dip on it. Again, you're going to have to figure that out for yourself. Nicotine addiction. But like I said, when I first started researching this one, it is a eye company, and then they started working on the vaccine, so kind of interesting. Has handled new strains well. Tendies, that's kind of cool. But if you have any of Ocugen, go ahead and leave that in the comments, along with your cost basis and any other information you have on this one. And that would be interesting to see. It does have pretty good ratings here on TipRanks, as we already went over. Currently at 981, 980, a moderate buy at 1025, high of 12, low of 8. So, like I said, if you're getting into this one, you can kind of see what it's been doing here as of lately. So just be careful with this one, because it's up and down. Set your stops, set your alerts, whatever you got to do. Definitely, I was watching it this day, but just for whatever reason, didn't feel comfortable with it, along with a lot of other stocks. Now I'm, of course, kicking myself, but could have easily doubled your money. But maybe for another day. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. Hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.